Welcome! If you would like to keep this workbook, you can get the ebook or the paperback edition on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you need a little more time to read or think about a question. Let's begin! Question 1. At the autumn dance, Mara felt a wistful longing as she watched Theo laugh across the crowded gym, remembering the summer they had spent together. As used here, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Confused and disoriented. B. Fiercely angry and resentful. C. Full of gentle, yearning sadness. D. Completely indifferent and bored. The correct answer is C. Full of gentle, yearning sadness. Wistful describes a soft, yearning sadness or longing, which fits Mara's nostalgic feelings toward Theo. Question 2. When Daniel finally confessed his crush, his voice was tremulous and his hands shook as he held out the folded note. As used here, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Harsh and demanding. B. Smooth and rehearsed. C. Loud and confident. D. Trembling or quivering. The correct answer is D. Trembling or quivering. Tremulous means shaking or quivering, matching Daniel's nervous, trembling voice and hands. Question 3. Priya thought Leo's poem was hopelessly saccharine, so sugary and sentimental that it almost made her laugh. As used here, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Clever and ironic. B. Overly sweet or sentimental. C. Bitter and cruel. D. Dull and lifeless. The correct answer is B. Overly sweet or sentimental. Saccharine describes something excessively sweet or sentimental, which is how Priya viewed the poem. Question 4. Even after the misunderstanding, Aiko's affection for Kenji remains steadfast, unchanged by the gossip that swirled through school. As used here, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Firmly loyal and unwavering. B. Weak and fading. C. Secret and hidden. D. Forced and reluctant. The correct answer is A. Firmly loyal and unwavering. Steadfast means firmly loyal and unwavering, which describes Aiko's constant affection despite the gossip. Question 5. Marcus offered a tentative smile as he asked Elena to the spring festival, unsure whether she would say yes. As used here, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Wide and joyful. B. Bold and certain. C. Hesitant and uncertain. D. Angry and forced. The correct answer is C. Hesitant and uncertain. Tentative means hesitant or uncertain, fitting Marcus's unsure attempt to ask Elena out. Question 6. The way Rosa described her first kiss with such effusive excitement made her whole friend group grin. As used here, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Expressing emotion in an unrestrained way. B. Reluctant and quiet. C. Cold and calculating. D. Brief and mysterious. The correct answer is A. Expressing emotion in an unrestrained way. Effusive means expressing feelings freely and in an unrestrained way, matching Rosa's overflowing excitement. Question 7. Choose the antonym of the word in all caps. Sam's demeanor around Jenna was surprisingly reticent, though everyone knew how much he adored her. Here are your choices. A. Reserved. B. Shy. C. Quiet. D. Talkative. The correct answer is D. Talkative. Reticent means reserved or reluctant to speak. Its antonym is talkative. Question 8. Their romance blossomed through a series of surreptitious notes passed under desks, hidden from the strict homeroom teacher. As used here, the word in all caps most nearly means, here are your choices. A. Loud in public. B. Done secretly to avoid notice. C. Careless and messy. D. Official and approved. The correct answer is B. Done secretly to avoid notice. Surreptitious means done secretly to escape notice, which fits notes hidden from the teacher. Question 9. When Ivy laughed at his silly joke, Noah felt a warm sense of elation spread through his chest. As used here, the word in all caps most nearly means, here are your choices. A. Great joy or happiness. B. Deep embarrassment. C. Nervous fear. D. Calm indifference. The correct answer is A. Great joy or happiness. Elation means great joy or happiness, matching Noah's warm, happy feeling. Question 10. Choose the synonym of the word in all caps. Grace found Owen's quiet kindness utterly endearing, and she couldn't stop thinking about him. Here are your choices. A. Confusing. B. Frightening. C. Irritating. D. Charming. The correct answer is D. Charming. Endearing means inspiring affection or fondness, which is closest to charming. Great work! Don't forget, you can print a free, customizable certificate of completion with the student's name on it. Just tap the link in the description. To keep practicing, get the full workbook on Amazon. The ebook is perfect for quick revision, and the paperback is best for real hands-on practice. Thanks for learning with us.